We have around 37, 39 groups, so it obviously takes 5-6 days for us to finish. Okay, so is there anybody who is ready to demonstrate their projects team? Hello, am I audible to you all? Group 25 is ready. Very good. Thanks, Kumari Akash. And Taik. Okay. So, yes, Kumari Akash, you can share your screen. So, we will finish the review for group 25 today, and from tomorrow we will go in a sequence team. So, I wanted to understand which groups will be ready for tomorrow's review. I want at least 5 groups names, 5 group numbers. Okay, Akash. So, team, I want inputs for tomorrow because reviews will have to be taken with only those groups. We will have to divide into slots. I'll divide into different time slots and I will allocate for those respective group members alone. So, yes, which groups are ready for tomorrow? Otherwise, I will pick random groups and you'll have to mandatorily give the presentation. Otherwise, you won't get the score. Team, no groups are ready for tomorrow. Open card site checking out showing when the project marks with are not available, desired quantity not in stock. So if you have installed on your own, so Yogendra, have you installed on your own or you are working on demo.opencart? So group 6 is ready. I will make a note for tomorrow. Group 6. Today it will be group 25. Tomorrow group 6. Installed, right? Then you have to log in as admin, Yogendra. Log in as admin and then if you go to the system settings, you have the options. You will find the options even if you check it on internet also. The quantity you can increase it if you log in as admin. You will find the steps if you just Google. Try it out. If you're still not able to, let me know. We'll look into it because time is up. That's the reason I wanted to make it clear to you all. Some of us are having onboarding. What are the timings? Okay, Sudhir or Yogendra, one of you share your screen. I will let you know. 23rd, right? Okay, 23rd. Fine, we'll see. We'll talk about 20th for tomorrow first. 23rd, 25th. Okay. Then you people can give your presentation tomorrow. Then you will not be, missing. Mohammed Samir, Sain, Muni Kumari, whoever have got their, onboarding dates and joining dates, you please give your presentation tomorrow. So that's the only solution so that you can go ahead with your things. Demo link will show, Balasai. Demo link will not work for add to cart. That is the reason I have asked you all to install. So I will show you if anybody have installed. Yes, Sudhir, please share. Which group? Akash Kumari. Okay. Group 25, right? Just give me a minute. We'll just Finish this and we will go. So open card site /admin, give /admin and click enter. Give the admin username and password. Okay, so go to catalog at the left hand side. Catalog. After clicking on catalogs, these are the options, right? Catalog, I think products. Go to products. Somewhere we'll have these options. Come down. So wait, there is 0 there, right? Samsung Galaxy. Click edit. Go to data. Come down. Team, I will not repeat these steps. All of you make a note. Okay, minimum quantity 0 is there, right? Not that. Quantity 0. There you give 100. Okay, Mohammed Samir, fine. Okay. You should have a save option at the top somewhere. Scroll up. Save. Yeah. Okay. Now this should work. You go back and verify for Samsung. Okay. So these are the same steps, Yogendra, you also will have to follow. You have to log in as admin, go to catalog, products, edit the product, data, add the data. That's how you can do it. And Akash Kumari, if you are ready, you can share the screen.
Still if you press on add to cart, it is not working.
It's not working. Share your screen. Click OK. Try once again. What does it say? Samsung Galaxy tab. Click add cart. Was it showing this error earlier?
Yes, ma'am.
Unexpected token JSON position 0. Okay. Parsing. Click OK. Go back to that products there. Have you clicked save after doing the modification?
Yes,
Scroll
ma'am.
up.
It is updated to 100.
100. Scroll up. Click save.
Here there is no.
You have modified products. You have any save option there? See, what are those options you see?
Just copy and add add new product or release a product.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, log out. Try logging out. Click on home. Login.
Ma'am, the same message also comes when we register for the account. Like ma'am, like this. Like ma'am, sure. When you click on register, the pop-up will comes again. It's like ma'am.
So you're giving unique values for while registering,
Yes, ma'am.
which are not already registered.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
If you repeat the values, it is not taking any action like creating account. It will display message that you have used already these details.
Okay. So can you change the product? If not Samsung Galaxy, can you change to any other product and see?
Yes, ma'am.
Rakesh, you don't worry about slides. I just need the synopsis document and the introduction to both the projects. Nothing much on presentation PPT. But you should have it as a reference, so prepare it in a good way.
Ma'am, for other product also is showing same message.
Then I think it is with the installation here. Do one thing. So whichever steps are working in the application, go only till there. So is it adding to the cart or not finally, though it is throwing the message?
No, ma'am, it is not adding into the cart.
No, but I see 3 items. Is it adding or not?
Here also it is showing the same problem.
Click OK, but see, 4
Okay.
items. It's adding, right?
But ma'am, when you are doing this using automation, when the pop-up comes, the automation automatically stops. We cannot go forward.
You try to have manual interaction. The reason is that it is with the installation somewhere, some errors are there. That is not with the, because of our script, but it is with the application itself. So you just try to, click manually.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, what about checkout, ma'am? Checkout issue. And
What happened for checkout?
checkout, it is not going forward and like this.
Click checkout. What does it say?
Same message.
Click OK. See, message is coming. You ignore that. You click OK. See, checkout options. You can continue.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Right. Yes, Akash Kumari, please share.
Ma'am, my screen is visible.
Yes, Akash. Yeah.
Ma'am, actually, my system is Windows 11. One of my teammate will show you the code. Yeah, it is running. I'll present the PPT.
Sure. Yeah. And team, once you are done with your projects, please create a folder group wise. Okay. Anyways, I will show that after this PPT. I will show you. Yeah. Continue, Akash.
Yeah, ma'am. We have done both the project manual testing and automation testing. Like manual testing is portal management system, and automation testing for open cart application. And
Where is the synopsis document group members?
ma'am, I'll send it. I'll send it in the chat, ma'am.
Yeah, you add that also. Okay, and who contributed for what and all.
Yes, ma'am. Can you see this, ma'am? I'll send it, ma'am. Just somewhat is editing is
Okay, fine. I
is
understand.
I'll send it, ma'am. And
Yeah, show the projects.
ma'am, can you give the permission to share the screen to Lakshmi Divya?
Sure. Yes, you can share, Lakshmi. You can stop sharing, Akash. So this is group 25. Yes, Tanisha, parameterization is important. Please implement. Yes, I can see your screen, Lakshmi Divya. So have you created all the 8 test scripts? Okay. And how about parameterization? You have not shared complete screen. Your Chrome browser is not visible. Okay, that is fine. Can you show me the script where you have implemented parameterization? I think it is the same script. You can unmute and speak, Sriram Lakshmi Divya.
Ma'am, we are yet to do the parameterization, ma'am. We have done all the codes.
I think I just saw JXL worksheets and all. That is nothing but parameterization, right?
Yes, ma'am, we have done for manual test casing, ma'am.
No, share your screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is nothing but for parameterization. Don't scroll down.
Yes, ma'am.
You're fetching data from another Excel, right? That's nothing but called as parameterization. So, okay, but I see some errors. Okay, you're trying to register, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so since you have run it already once, the second time it throws error. You have to change the credentials probably.
As my Windows is 11, I have done it in WebDriver, ma'am.
Okay. So have you implemented TestNG framework here in any of the test cases?
Ma'am, we have not implemented TestNG yet, ma'am.
Okay, so finish that also. Okay, team, see, I'm telling you on what basis I will be evaluating your projects. Parameterization, TestNG framework, okay, and validations, page validations, okay, and then page validations you can do it using SSS, okay. So parameterization, TestNG framework, validations, and generating reports, okay, and completion. Okay, so all these things are what which I will consider for giving you scores. So please keep that in mind and do it. Okay. Thanks for presenting anyways 25. So incorporate TestNG framework as well, validations, and also include coding standards. So you can find coding standards document in PBL app.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, go through that and try to include comments wherever required.
Okay, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
So do all this so that you'll be given good score for your project activities. This is for all of your team.
Okay.
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 So right team. So we will wind up today. So I think you are still yet to finish your project activities. So we will keep it for tomorrow, Lakshmi Divya. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Should be sure tomorrow also, ma'am.
Yeah. Include test entry framework and validations and reports also.
Okay, ma'am. Sure.
Right.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right. Yeah. Thanks. See, validations is nothing but see you have successfully logged in. So how do you confirm that you are successfully logged in? You need to see some welcome message, right? Welcome Kamal, welcome Kameshwari, welcome Lakshmi Devi. So this kind of welcome message will be there, right? Or at least your name once you have successfully signed in. So that text is what you're going to verify. You remember get text, get tag name, you have you can fetch the text available on the web page. So just do that verification using assert equals. You remember test-ng assertions? Use those assertions and then do it. Yes, you can also use screenshots. Yes. But screenshots you generally use for whenever you go with any errors, any defects are identified, you can go for screenshots, or even for validations, you can go for screenshots. Okay. So this is what I just wanted to tell you all. So we will wind up for today team, and for tomorrow the groups which have to be ready with these things. Dheeraj, you can include negative test cases also. Okay. So for tomorrow, we will have the review for group 25, group 6, and I will need 3 more groups for tomorrow. Any groups who would like to volunteer? Otherwise, I will pick randomly. Tomorrow, Bhargav, which group? Okay, group 6 tomorrow. Yeah. Okay, and then I will randomly pick another 3 more groups. So tomorrow we should at least finish the review for 5 groups team. Okay, so all of you please get ready for that. So group 25, group 6 and another 3 more groups should volunteer tomorrow. Otherwise, I will pick, randomly. Okay. Right. So we can group 18 on 27th May. Okay. Rakesh. Yes, Rakesh, tell me. Synopsis, just include one slide for synopsis where you include all your group members who are part of the project, who are contributing for the project. If anybody is not responding from your project, if you know the name, you give the name, and against his or her name, you say did not respond. That's it. Others who have responded and been contributing for the project activities, you mention those activities. So all the group names, members' names are what required as part of synopsis. Okay. Group 32 and 23rd, but I want it for 20th year. So give your group names if you are ready for 20th. So anyways, 32 I will consider for 23rd. Okay. Danish will review it in tomorrow's review. Okay. Just ensure that whatever I have just now told, you just ensure to implement all of those. Test engine, integrate framework, validations, reports, parameterization, okay, coding standards. That should be good enough. Okay. Dharani, yes, tell me, Dharani. Dharani Badri. Dhanush, I'm using Excel file for getting data. It's okay, ma'am. Yes, that's good for parameterization. Yes, Dhanush. Where should we apply for leave? Why? Okay, nothing. You just send an email to your internship email ID. Okay, just send an email to them. Sent a message to you. I didn't see. I don't see here. It just comes in sequence. Please paste it again, Dharni. Group 9. Oh, that is, that is as per BGV. So you have to get in touch with TA team only, Dharni. I cannot help you on this because I am from a different team, so we don't have any access to these things. So you just send an email to manager.campus on this. That's the only option. Okay. Right. So team will connect tomorrow and we will have some 5 groups reviews done tomorrow. 25, 6 and I want 3 more groups to volunteer. Okay. Right. Do it manually, Balasai, but yes, for few, yes, you can copy XPath, but not for all. Okay. But ideally, you need to use those different ways of finding, locating object, class path and others. Okay. Right. Thank you all team. Tomorrow we will ensure to cover these 5 groups reviews. Okay. Take care team. Thanks for joining. Yes, JUnit framework is also fine, Shravya. Reports and validations. Yeah, that's also fine. Yes. No issues. Okay. Right team. Thank you all. Take care. Bye bye. We'll connect tomorrow.